Right now I'm doing a 2013-2014 Toyota 4Runner. I've already did a automatic VIN scan and I selected Toyota Lexus. So now what I'm going to do here is do the 16 pin. It's going to be a 4Runner with smart key. And the way I determine smart key is if it has a chip inside the key, of course. And we'll just press OK. Press OK and let it start doing its scan. You're pretty much always going to do the health report. So we'll do health report and it'll start to do its scan. Finishing up with its scan now. And let's go ahead and look at this ABS. Front speed sensor, vehicle driven with steering angle sensor not initialized. Alright, so we just put a brand new front right speed sensor. So what we're going to do is going to go to the bottom and clear the codes. Clear DTC. Yes. Okay. We just have it in accessory where the key is turned to the on position. We already changed that ABS speed sensor. Here is my speed sensor. This is the plug for the speed sensor. Now I got my multimeter here, or this is a power probe. So what I did here is we're gonna check the pin. This, and you can see I got 0 voltage. Now my other side works, so we're gonna check that one. With the key still in accessory, we'll back probe these two, and look at that. We got ohms, and we got voltage. So we should have voltage and ohms coming out to that sensor. So this is where the top side of our sensor connects into. So let's go ahead and back probe this. See if we get any voltage. Look at that. We got volts and we got the right ohmage. Our problem lies in the wiring that connects into that and goes to the actual pigtail that plugs into the sensor. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off that wire and just rerun 2 pieces of wire, cut that edge off, check for continuity, which means that we have a connection from one end to the other, and we should be good to go. So I got the whole piece of wire here. I took all my little brackets off of it. So the only thing that we need is this connector here, and we need this connector to go into the ABS. So this thing is messed up anyway. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it back, probably about right here. I don't know where the short is at. See, there's 2 wires in there. Expose the wires, just like that. See that? We need that, and then we need the same thing on this side. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll probably cut maybe about after here to make this work. So this is some really thin wire, but any wire will work. I got like some 15, 16 gauge. What we're gonna do real quick is we gotta make sure that you put your multimeter on continuity. This means if it touches, it'll make noise. So we want to touch our white end over here to the prong on the inside of here. Make sure it has continuity. That's good. Same thing on the black. We're going to touch it to this one in black. Continuity, that's good. So that means this half a wire is good. We'll touch one of these. There's that. And then the black. Good. Alright, so cool. That means these halves are good going to our pigtails, which is those. So the only thing that we got to put in between there is our wire. So alright, now that we got our wire all wired up, we're just going to go ahead and clean this whole mess up. Alright, so I got her taped off real nice with my electrical tape. Now I'm going to use a little bit of this right here. Let's check now with our new self-made harness if we got continuity, or should I say voltage. There you go. We got our volts. We got our ohms. This is the... Alright, first startup. Let's see what she looks like. Oh yeah. I know this helps somebody out there. This works on anything electrical, ABS, anything that goes from one point to another point. You want to make sure that you got voltage or ohms or continuity going through that wire. And if you don't, get you some spare wire you have laying around the house, cut it and make it work. Until the next time, Puro Mobile. Appreciate y'all.